Hello, crafty friends. I'm so glad you stopped by today. Today I'm doing another in my series of Dollar Tree crafts. Everything that I made today was Dollar Tree stuff. There is nothing else in there. So you could go to Dollar Tree and get these things and make the same thing. There's no outside ink or, well, okay, the glue. But you can get glue there too. So I was working on some thank you cards. You can always use some extra thank you cards. You got swaps coming up and just different things like that. So these are 3 of the cards that I made. And like I said, I just used all Dollar Tree stuff. In Dollar Tree they have that poster board, that white poster board. I have a pack over here. I'm going to do show you my little haul at the end, my Dollar Tree haul at the end. It's just a few things. But we'll even make a card today. So you get that white poster board and you cut it down into the size of card that you want. And it makes a nice little card. It's just like using white cardstock. So, and then when I was at one of my hauls you saw at the Dollar Tree, they had this kind of craft paper. So I kind of use these as a background for all the cards, different patterns on here. So each one has a different pattern. Then a lot of the stickers. So on this one, the stickers came all together and I cut them apart to make my card. And then this came off another sticker pack from them. Thought that turned out really cute. It's got some sparkle. This one, there's a big sticker in one of the packages and I just outlined some white paper. I actually used some of the index cards. And then on one of the Dollar Tree hauls, we got these thank you stamps. These thank you stamps. So I used some of the blue ink from Dollar Tree and I stamped thank you on, after I traced the sticker out and cut it out so it had a shape to it. Then I stamped on it. And then I didn't love the blue, so then I wrote over with the Dollar Tree pen, Flair pen, Papermate pen. I wrote over it to make the thank you. And then on the back, you can get these labels at Dollar Tree. And so I put that behind there to kind of emphasize that. And then this is another sticker from one of the other sticker packs. So we did that. And then on this one, it's pretty simple. This is mostly stickers. Well, there's another label from the label pack and stickers from 2 different sticker sheets. So there are my 3 cards, and then I thought we'd make one while I was here. So on this one, I got my poster board card base, and then I used some of the pattern paper. I'm going to try this thing here. I don't usually use these, but I was hoping that it would make it quicker than waiting for the glue stick. So you'll have to bear with me here. Like I said, I'm not sure. I don't use these very often, so I cut it down a little bit less than the card so that it would look a little matted. And of course I didn't get that straight. I never get this stuff straight. I have to spend a lot of time getting it straight. Then I took a book page from our book that we got from the Dollar Tree and I cut out a heart. And then I took a piece of an index card that we got from the Dollar Tree and I cut out another heart a little bit smaller. And then I took that heart and I dashed little dashes with the pen here around it. And then in the middle I stamped with our blue Dollar Tree ink. I stamped thank you so much. And I thought we'd put that in the middle. And then I got a label. Now, a lot of times when I'm putting on stickers and labels and things, I will cut them out before I set them down so I can see what they look like, instead of being in this whole thing like this and you're trying to decide if it looks good on there. I'll just cut out around here and then set it on there. So I thought this looked pretty good for a start. Here, let me make sure I'm in frame here. Oh, and then I inked my heart with the blue ink around the edges to give it a little bit of definition. I thought that looked pretty good. That's a start. So I'm going to go ahead and put this down. I do that with the stickers too. I'll cut around them to see if I like them on the page. And because you can never tell. You can never tell. So we'll put this one on this one. Get it straight. Like so. I tried stamping on the back of that one, but you couldn't see it. And then I thought, well, okay, I'll get a white one out and do it that way. So we put this one in the middle, like that. Then I keep my stickers that I've been using in this little envelope and the different bits and pieces. And I was looking at these for some more on this card. And I can show you, hopefully it'll work. I'm thinking about these leaves here. And this is a double leaf. So what we're going to try to do is pull it apart so we can just have two leaves. Sometimes you can pull them apart and it won't tear the other thing. And sometimes you can't. Now, you can take the little foam thing off and not have dimension, or you can leave the little foam thing on and have dimension. And I think it's not going to hurt to have a little dimension. So we're going to just put that down like that. I wanted them to be, well, that works. And put that one down like that. There we go. Now, on another Dollar Tree haul, I got, where did I put them? I thought I set them over here. I got those little gems. Just a second. No, I took it out. I got these gems. And so I'm interested in these little clear ones. Well, kind of sparkly, diamond-y ones. So I'm doing that trick again where I cut them out into small little pieces so I can decide if I want to set it here or if I want to set it here, or maybe one up there, or maybe I want one on both, or maybe I want three. So I definitely want one there. I want one there. Boy, I can't talk today. So we're going to take this off. These should have a little glue on the back, so I shouldn't have to do anything but press it down. So we'll have that one there. I kind of like that there. I'm going to cut another one out and see if I like it there too. So like two, because one is not very balanced. So we're going to cut out a couple more of these. So we can decide if we like them or not. I've had these for a long time and they're really great for the center of butterflies. But other than that, I hadn't really found a whole lot of use for this one kind of pear-shaped thing. So let's see. Do we like them? I don't know if you guys can tell the crystal quality sometimes in these videos. I'm not sure. I'm going to think about that one. But I'd like to put one on each of these cards somewhere. So I don't know, like right there or in the middle of the flowers. Oh, I like that. So put that one in the middle of the flowers. Right there. And then on this one, what about there? Let's put it almost covers up the thing. Or what about the middle of the flowers again? I think I like the middle of the flowers again. So we're going to do one on there. Anyways, it just adds a little bit to your card. Makes it a little blingier. Okay. And then I won't do the other one because we've wasted enough time here. But I'll show you my little Dollar Tree haul. It's like I said, it's really small. And there you go on making stuff from Dollar Tree. So this is what I got. Just a couple things. And then this is that, come here. This is that poster board. It comes in black and white. And this is what I made the card base out of. It's Jot. I think it says Jot up there. I got that. I got this out of the school section thinking that it would be good for my Candyland journal. Or in the summer, you could cut those fruits out, and you could use it as a border if you cut it down and you just use this part as a border. So that would work in junk journals too. Or you could cut the fruits out. And then I was thinking summary and Candyland journal for trying to do something like this. I'd probably cut some things apart and not use it as a birthday theme. Thinking of that. These I just thought were cool, and you can color these. You can use your alcohol inks or your metallic pens and color these. So you could do a lot. These would make nice cards, put on the front of cards if you colored them. And then I just saw some, thought that would go for doing something vintagey, some of our ephemera, pockets, things for vintage junk journals. And then along the same lines, this too. And you could take different parts of this apart. This is real nice and vintagey right there. So you can probably take that off. I don't know if that whole tag is the same pattern in the bottom. But we got that. And then thinking ahead a little bit to Valentine's Day. And what I might be able to do for a Dollar Tree craft thing with that. So that's all I got from the Dollar Tree. And that is my little Dollar Tree craft with my thank you cards. And I hope you're enjoying this series. And if you have any questions at all, just leave me a comment in the below the descriptions, below the video, and I will surely answer. So I hope you're having a great day, and thank you so much for stopping by.